Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges, and we get a lot of questions about what comes included in our diesel gauge packages. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in our 7-color series triple gauge package for the 94 to 97 Dodge Ram Cummins 12 valve. In this particular package, you're going to get a 60 PSI Boost Gauge, a 1500 degree EGT Gauge, and a 30 PSI Fuel Pressure Gauge. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm 60 PSI analog boost gauge with a color change button on the front, 2 foot of power wire on the back, and a 1/8 MPT pressure fitting. A 52mm 1500 degree analog exhaust gas temperature gauge with a color change button on the front, and a 52mm 30 PSI analog fuel pressure gauge with a color change button on the front. Also included in the package, a 94 to 97 Dodge Ram Cummins 12 valve installation guide, a 9-foot nylon boost line and compression fittings, a 3-foot exhaust temperature sensor with a waterproof connector, a 6-foot exhaust temperature sensor harness with a waterproof connector, a 3-foot power harness for your exhaust temperature gauge, a 9-foot fuel pressure sensor harness, a 30 PSI fuel pressure sensor, a fuel pressure banjo bolt and snubber valve with crush washers, mounting brackets and hardware, pillar pod push-in fasteners, a triple pillar gauge pod, a 3-gauge wiring kit with power wires, and gauge visors for sun glare. All of our products come with lifetime technical support, so if you have any questions, feel free to visit our website or message us on any of our social media channels.